Oh no, babe. I'm sorry.
What the heck?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back around our table. This time we're not in the car. We are around our table because we got some seafood for you guys today.
Our seafood boil.
And we can't really have a seafood in the car, so we had to come and sit down with you guys. All you guys around here.
But today we got mussels, we got clams,
potatoes, sausage. Show them sausage. It's not just one. There's like a few of them around here somewhere.
We got shrimp, of course. Can't have a seafood boil without shrimp. We got corn.
What else? We got mussels and we said clam and mussels.
Feast. We said clam and mussels, and
we got the seafood boil sauce. We made our own.
We made our own. If you guys want to see the recipe, leave a comment down below, and we'll definitely share it with you guys.
Yeah. Well, guys, let's get to it. We just gonna eat. This thing smells good. This thing smells good.
But we're celebrating something special today, you guys. We have reached 100 subscribers.
That's basically our little milestone.
We're so thankful for each and every one of you who have subscribed to our channel, who enjoy watching us and are seriously committed. We thank you guys so much. Thank you guys for commenting on our most recent videos. You guys have been more interactive and we love that. So definitely
keep commenting. We will reply back to every one
of you
guys. What am I saying?
Thank you guys so much, and we're just gonna go straight into the video.
Straight into this. I hit my arm. But anyways, let's go.
Did you lotion?
I lotion, don't worry.
He lotioned this time, guys.
Guys, this time I lotion, my hand's not ashy.
Especially for the seafood when you use all hands. Damn.
I had to lotion for this because I'm not trying to like reach and my ashiness is showing.
But let's get to it. I'm gonna start with the mussels.
I'm gonna start with my drink.
You're wasting time. I think mussels, you guys, are in season right now. They're pretty big.
Yeah, these things are huge. I've never had these before. These clams. Try this.
Damn. I don't want to boost, guys, but we did a good job.
No words. I'm gonna just keep eating. This is good. Get some sauce. Look at this, guys.
Oh my gosh, the garlic.
That sauce is good, babe.
It's good?
Sausage.
Yo, this sauce is actually really good.
Has that sweet, buttery taste to it, too.
I made sure to cook the seafood in the sauce, so the sauce picks up all that flavor that is in the mussels, and in the seafood.
And the shrimp too.
And the shrimp. And then you boil it down so then it becomes thicker, but you get all that seafood taste. Damn!
That will be a part 2, guys. No lying. It's a little spicy though. But
oh, I like that.
Whatever tastes good, guys, I'm gonna lose my tongue for it. It's spicy. It's spicy.
He dropped his what is that?
But I don't care.
It's so good.
This thing balanced so well.
You can't handle the heat, guys.
Oh, God, this is good. I got shrimp though.
The best thing about seafood, you guys, it cooks so fast. Honestly, it takes longer to prepare than it does to even cook.
Sauce.
It's good.
It's really good.
There's some cane sugar in the sauce, so it's it's sweet. You guys know I love sweet and salty, so I had to add a little bit of sugar in it.
Do they know?
I think you guys know that I like sweet and salty.
Y'all see me licking my fingers? This is finger looking good. It's good. It's spicy. But I don't care. I'm gonna lose my life because of this food right now. Because it's good.
I like eating it without the sauce because then it balances out everything else.
You better dip that right now because that sauce.
She's dying in the heat. It's good, right?
Better bite that.
Look, even the mussels are pretty big, guys. I think it's like the season for it right now.
Oh, they're huge.
Make sure you guys don't overcook your seafood. Makes a huge difference.
Once you see those them clams open it up, they're done.
They're done. Take them out. Once your shrimp change color, it's done. Take them out.
Once they change to this color right here.
Yeah, an orange color.
Ow. That's something sharp. Anyways, like I said, I'm gonna lose my tongue, my lips.
It's worth it.
It's worth it. This thing is good, man.
I think these sausages are from Costco. Not just pillars, but
Costco sausages. I told you guys, them food from Costco is good. If you guys haven't watched the Costco video yet, go watch it.
This is good.
We have some Costco food from the food court. If you guys ever wonder if the Costco food court food is good.
It's good. You suck the head?
I suck that head.
You suck that head.
I have to.
Oh my god!
Oh no, babe. I'm sorry.
What the heck?
Oh, man, I felt that. Sorry, babe. Well, let's eat.
Can't ever sit next to you when you're eating.
You're stuck with me forever.
Damn! You give me a corn shower.
You're good, you're good.
And make sure when you guys make this, put in fresh garlic. Went down the wrong tube?
Almost went down the wrong tube. I almost lost my life. But it's worth it though. I'm done. I'm gonna stop saying that. I'm gonna finish your sausage, Joe.
What the heck? There's like 5 other sausages and he has to finish mine.
Can't find them. Oh my god. I just want over here.
So I have to take what's mine, huh?
What's yours is mine, right?
Nope.
Yeah, here it is.
Nope. I'm like trying to do it with 2 fingers, but I feel like I'm gonna have to move on to like all my fingers and just eat it with all my fingers.
I'll do it like me. Look at
Trying
the
to make it
sauce,
clean.
guys.
I mean, I feel like this would be so good for like a party. Like invite all your friends.
I'm gonna do it. I wouldn't give him anything. This thing's too good. No, I'm playing.
No, we would just make more of it. And just have like a
This was pretty. I thought it would be way expensive. Like expensive.
Yeah, I thought so too.
This was pretty cheap.
I think altogether, you guys, this is maybe like $30.
$30 for all that.
Yeah. But like if you were go to like a seafood boil place, like a restaurant, easily like a pound of shrimp is already like $20. 1 pound. And we probably have like 3-4 pounds here. What's your favorite so far?
So far, the shrimp and the potatoes.
Yeah, I was gonna say, mine's actually the potato out of everything.
Out of everything, the seafood, the potato is just like amazing.
I really like the clams. It's so juicy.
Yeah, I gotta cook that potato though. Some people make their potato like extra like crunchy. Ain't nobody trying to eat no crunchy potatoes. Like make it like so you can actually press it down.
That's actually cooked.
Cook that potato. Just like some next taste you can't even explain.
Because it's like something so simple without much flavor, and then you dip it in it.
And just like balance it like very well. You can put that sauce here now since it's like empty.
We couldn't fit it before.
Too much stuff.
I thought out my corn.
You just sprayed my hand.
I better your hand than your face. So yummy. So yummy.
So yummy.
So yummy.
Your Asian self.
Surprisingly, you're eating cleaner than me. His side of the table is actually like clean. What happened?
Because the bowl is actually in front of me.
Oh, that's true. We have a bowl catching all the
How the
shells. Oh, yeah.
Right now, I don't care. This thing is good. Guys, literally, I'm still thinking about the fact that you guys helped us reach 100K. 100K, not 100K.
Hopefully
100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to our channel.
I think we get like 10 subscribers, let alone 100.
Well, we knew we'd get 10 subscribers.
I didn't think we get 10.
At least
Maybe
for
like
now.
10 people that we know, like our friends and family.
Yeah.
But not you guys. We actually haven't even told.
Most of our friends yet.
Yeah, we haven't. Even the friends that we have told,
Oh.
they don't even know about our channel. They don't know what the name is or anything. There's like maybe like a few people, like 3, and that's it. So out of the 100, there's maybe like 4 or 5 people who actually we know.
Yeah.
And then the rest is actually
You guys.
Yeah.
It's actually more than like 150 now.
I think we're trying not to like watch it too much because we get like a little too excited sometimes.
Excited for small things, guys.
Yeah. But I think
Appreciate
we're close to
where
like
you at.
200.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, it's all you guys. Thank you so much.
All you guys, thank you guys so much. Like, we actually love you guys. Our next goal, we're gonna try and get to 1,000 guys.
Help us get it there, please.
You guys are officially a part of the Jess and B fam. Jess and B. Just be eating. I love you guys.
We love you guys.
And I love this food.
Make sure you guys, if they're not open, like see this one's barely open, but I'm not gonna eat it. And the mussels or clams, they're not open, don't eat it because that means they're dead.
Oh, there's nothing in this.
That means they were dead before they were cooked. And they're like spoiled, so don't eat it.
I guess I'm gonna dip the whole thing in there.
I don't even need this sauce. I dip a little bit.
I dip the whole thing.
It's so good on its own.
These shrimps though.
Dang, we're doing a good job.
If you didn't already know, guys, we eat a lot. We love our food.
Why is your arm all dirty?
I don't know. You're right beside me, and your air is dirty. So that's all you. My air is clean.
Yeah, whatever.
Leave that last corn for me. Last corn. You don't like sharing?
How many corns have you had?
2.
How many have I had?
Where's the other corn?
Yeah,
Okay.
none yet. We have more though.
This is your first corn?
Yeah.
You tripping? You slacking?
I'm saving mine. But we have more. I just put it to the side. I don't think we're able to finish everything.
Yeah, we're doing a good job.
We're doing a really
There's
good
not as
job.
much stuff on the platform right now.
I feel like we'll definitely clear this. feel like this would taste even better if we were outside.
Sit in the sun?
Oh yeah.
We might have a seafood boil in the sun, guys.
Seafood boil in the sun.
Seafood sun boil. No.
That's a terrible name.
Seafood sun boil. That's
Outside boil.
That. What?
An outside boil. Outside seafood boil.
I don't like it. It sounds better than mine, I'm not gonna lie. I still don't like it.
An outside seafood boil. You're not even done your corn yet. I'm just trying to call for the next one.
I know.
So greedy. Greedy boy.
You talk too much. I'm gonna finish this right now.
Do you guys suck your heads? Suck your heads? Suck the shrimp heads, guys? I know a lot of people find that disgusting, so I want to know, do you guys eat the, like, suck out the brains?
Okay, what's the difference between, like, sucking at the brain of a shrimp and sucking at the brain of, like, a crawfish?
I don't think you eat that part of the crawfish.
Nah, I see people, like, when they break the crawfish.
Yeah. Oh, I guess it's the same thing.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, I think it's the same thing.
I'm sure you guys have had crawfish before. Are you break it in half and, like, suck the head?
Yeah. There isn't... We tried looking for crawfish here, but first of all, I don't think it's in season. But I don't know anywhere that sells it in Toronto.
In Toronto.
If you guys know, let us know because we would love to have it for our next one. Look at this boy knowing his manners to wipe.
Okay, don't say it. Don't. Why you keep it?
What? Huh? What?
That's one thing about her. She's always exposing me.
So? Stop doing things that need to be exposed.
Shut up. How come we're not putting the lemons on this?
Not for later. I'm gonna show you a trick after.
Trick?
That's for later. My friend told me that.
Who told you that?
My friend Linda.
Ah, it's Linda.
So shout out to you, girl.
I heard a lot of things about you.
We used to work together, so we saw each other for like 8 hours a day. She was actually like the first person I told about YouTube.
About YouTube?
Cause she's like a friend, but she's not in the. She doesn't run the same circle.
What? Say that again.
Like she's a friend, but she doesn't like run in the same circle. Like she doesn't like know other people besides me. She doesn't even know you. She doesn't know like my other friends or anything like that.
And what's up?
She was my work foodie bestie. I just ate.
I feel like most of her friends are foodies.
That's true. If you want to be my friend, you need to like food. I'm sorry. I can't be friends with someone who doesn't eat.
Don't worry, guys. She didn't know I liked this food this much before she got with me. So she actually liked me before the food. Yes.
That's debatable.
You were planning on leaving me if I didn't like sushi.
I'm just playing. I'm getting full. I don't know if we'll be able to finish this.
At least eat the potatoes and the corn.
I haven't even done my corn yet.
Look at the size of this.
I know. They're huge.
So you're about to show us the trick now?
I've actually never done it. She just explained it to me.
So what's the trick?
Okay, so then you take, we have lemon slices here.
Linda, you let us know if we did it right.
Yeah,
right?
we're doing this right or not. Okay, so you take a lemon. Here's yours. Here's mine. And you use the lemon to clean your fingers. And she said the whole point of it like is to get rid of that like seafood smell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to get rid of that right now.
So it like you get rid of it, and you can use it as like I guess the rind and kind of go like under your nails and that kind of thing. Yeah.
And I see you, girl.
And that way, you don't have that seafood smell anymore. Cause you know when you eat seafood with your hands, like it gets really like
that nasty,
yeah.
fishy taste.
I mean, it's good at the time and it tastes good, but the smell,
I'm going
it's not
crazy
cute.
with it.
Well, make sure you go under your nail and stuff.
And I got you.
With what? What do you mean you got her? She got us.
You got our back. I don't even know what I was saying. That smells good.
Yeah, right? Yeah, your hands smell clean.
So there you go, guys. You can clean your hands with lemon.
Apparently, like, I've only gone to like a seafood boil, like a restaurant a few times, and that's what they're for. Like, they bring it out on the table, and like, I guess most people think that you just put it in your juice, or not your juice, your water and stuff, but it's actually to clean your hands.
Wow.
And you wipe it off. Well, and also like you should probably wash your hands with soap and water too, but sometimes the soap and water doesn't even get all that smell out.
There you go, guys. You can clean your hands with lemon.
Clean your hands with lemon.
And that seafood boil was good. We left some shrimp because we ended up being too full.
We had a lot. You guys saw how much it was.
It was a lot.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining us for another mukbang for our seafood boil. Thank you again so much for our 100 subscribers. We're close to actually even 200 now, so thank you guys so much.
The next thing we have to do next time is get us to like 1,000.
Help us get us there, guys. Share the video, tell your friends, and make sure you do that for this video. Comment down below of what you guys want to see next. We love interacting with you guys.
And guys, we're gonna start shouting out whoever actually suggests what to us. We already got a few names down.
We have a list, so we have you guys all listed.
Thank you for the guys who suggested like the food for us, places to eat.
Especially if you guys are in Toronto, let us know which places to hit up.
Yeah.
But anyways, guys, thank you for joining us. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share the video. And let's grow this family.
Let's grow. Tell them to give like a like or something.
Oh, and like the video. But we want to grow our Jess and B fam. Yeah. You guys are already part of it, but make sure we get more members.
Yeah. And the people who already subscribed to us, you guys are officially the Jess and B fam. Like I'm gonna call you guys Jess and B fams.
Jess and B fams. You guys are part of the fam. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining us for another video. For those who are new to our channel, we have our little saying at the end of our videos, and you guys are officially invited now to join us next time around our table.